Hey there, Twinkle Tunes and lighting fans. Today we're gonna do a tool review. It's the Klein 10-in-1 screwdriver. This thing's awesome. Stick around, I'll show you the cool features of it. Let's go. First off, let's talk about what makes this tool so special. The Klein 10-in-1, well, actually, it's called the Klein 32500. The Klein 32500. It's like the Swiss Army knife of screwdrivers. It packs 8 popular bits, a number 1 and number 2 Phillips, a 1/4 inch and 3/16 inch slotted, a T10, a T15 Torx, and the number 1 and number 2 square recess. Plus, it converts to 3 nut driver sizes, 3/8 inch, 5/16 inch, and a 1/4 inch. That's 11 tools in one compact package. Whether you're working on electrical panels, furniture assembly, or making some cool LED projects, this tool is a must-have in your arsenal. Switching between bits is a breeze. Let's talk comfort. The cushion grip handle feels fantastic in the hand, giving you awesome torque and control without slipping. What I love most about this tool is it streamlines my workflow. So if you want a reliable, versatile, tough as nails tool, stop and get one of these. And once when you have it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you next time. That is a great tool. I like it. You will too. You should get one. Click this other video. Click that one. Click one over here. Click that video. Or even click one down here.